Little Early English Education.
Whoa, look at this big green character. Hello, 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 super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 400. Did you know that is 4 groups of 100? 100, 200, 300, 400. 400. Amazing. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big square rectangle for the main body. Top line, right side, bottom line, left side. A big square body. Beautiful. Now inside the rectangle, draw one vertical line and one horizontal line. This divides our body into 4 equal parts. 4 parts for 400. Now draw 20 vertical lines in each section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now 20 horizontal lines in each section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 400 blocks. Now let's draw the face. Numberblock 400 has cute square eyes. Draw the left eye, nice square shape. Now the right eye, same square shape. Inside each eye, add the eye details, the pupils. Such cute eyes. Now draw the eyebrows above the eyes. Numberblock 400 has cute little square eyebrows. Now draw the happy smile. Numberblock 400 is always smiling. Inside the mouth, draw the teeth. What a cheerful smile. Now draw the hands on both sides. Now draw the legs at the bottom. Left leg, right leg. And finally, at the very top, write the number 400. Our drawing is complete. Hello everyone, I am Numberblock 400. I have cute little square eyebrows. I am made of 400 blocks. 100, 200, 300, 400. Coloring time! First pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Color the eye pupils black. And inside the mouth area, black too. Sharp and clear. Now pick up green. Spell green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Color the eye outlines green. Color the eyebrows green. And the smile outline green too.
Fun comes every way. Count it out, here we go. Watch the numbers start to grow. 1 jumps in, 2 join 2.
Beautiful green face.
How do you
Now pick up dark green. Spell dark green. D-A-R-K-G-R-E-E-N, dark green. Color the hands dark green. And the legs dark green too. Strong dark green hands and legs.
Blocks, more fun, stack them up. We're not done, big or small, short or tall. Every number loves them all. Spin the colors.
And now, the grand final color. Pick up light green. Beautiful soft light green. Spell light green. L-I-G-H-T-G-R-E-E-N, light green. Color the whole body light green. Every single one of those 400 blocks light green.
Come and play. Hey, hey, what do we see? Art and numbers living free. Draw it, color it, count it through. Learning's fun when we make it new. Hey, hey, look at this page. Let's make numbers, let's engage. Tap your crayons, clap your hands. Drawing numbers is super grand. First we sketch, then we build. Every little box gets filled. Left and right and up and down. Boxes turning into town. Pick a color, spin it round. Drop some color, watch it bounce. Splash of blue and pop of red. Numbers dancing on the page instead. Fill it in, then make it glow. Fast or slow, just go with flow. Oops, a line, that's okay. Color fun comes every way. Count it out, here we go. Watch the numbers start to grow. 1 jumps in, 2 join 2, 3 and 4 say how do you do? 5 goes high, 6 goes wide, 7, 8 come side by side. 9 says look how tall we've grown. 10 shouts now I'm not alone. Color, color, zip zap zoom, brighten up the whole room. Turn the page into a show. Watch the number blocks steal the glow. More blocks, more fun, stack them up. We're not done, big or small, short or tall. Every number loves them all. Spin the colors, tap the beat. Drawing time is super sweet. Hands are busy, brains awake. Every block is ours to make. Finish now, let's take a look. Better than a storybook. Draw again another day. Numbers love to come and play. Hey, hey, what do we see? Art and numbers living free.
100 blocks light green. 200, 300, 400. Done. And done.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.